Good evening, family. Good evening, family. I'm so happy and impressed with the way you guys are pushing the views and the subscribers. In terms of, I've seen the what do you call the cash for life, because I see you guys are catching up and they are going very well. So, guys, this is tea time. I've decided to share this with you. It's tea time code. See, it's different now with the one from the morning. There's a reason why, because now this is another draw. It's not that it's the lunchtime which we did. So what I'm going to do without wasting any time for you guys, I want you guys to boom today. It should be a big boom, by fire, by force. Okay, so now let's go like this. Remember, these guys, they repeat numbers. The first golden rule. Remember to spin and split. Okay, so let's do it together. The first code is 312, 312. So we're going to spin it and say 13, 2. Now we are having a clear answer. So what do we do here? Going to say 12 plus 3 is a 15. 12 minus 3 is a 9. Then 31 plus 2 is a 33. 31 minus 2 is 31 minus 2, it should be 29. 29. Okay, you know this number always turns around. And at the bottom here, you can as well add, you're gonna get a 15. So 15 is our bank for this time. It's a prep to get an 11. I don't know, it should be 20 or someone, but this is the prediction for tea time. So this is the main code. This is the main code with your numbers. Then go to the second code, which is 184. This one, when you add 18 plus 4, I need to show you guys because some of you are getting lost. It's 22. 18 minus 4 is equals to what? 14, which is a 41. Do you see that? And then we come here, we say 48. We say 18. We say what? 8. See, it's another way of breaking the code if you can manage. And then when you want, you can say 1 plus 8 plus 4. You get a 13. So 13 is a proper number. Understand? 8, 13 maybe if they have to take from this 8. Okay, let's go to the other code. It's 187. So this is 18 plus 7 equals to 25. So the 25 dropped. Instead, we're going to use a 7 there, because 25 has dropped. Definitely, they're going to say 25 minus 1 is 24. 25 plus 1 is 26. The space is so small, guys. So 18 minus 11 is equal, minus 7 is equal to an 11. And then we have a 18 there, we have a 17 there, we have an 8 again. So do you see that how you break your code? And then you're going to add these numbers. 8 plus 1 plus 7 is equals to 16. There's your 16. Okay, then we go do the last code, which is 114. This one will give us a straight 15. 11 plus 4 is equals to 15. 11 minus 4 is equals to an 8. Is it an 8? Hey guys, am I right? It's a 6. No, it's a 7 actually. 7. So it's fine with the 7. If you add all these numbers, they give you a 6. You spin that 6, you make a 9, because the 6 has played, and then now, which means the 9 needs to drop by fire, by force. So let's try this combo. It was 9, 13, 15, or 9, 31, 15. Just try your lucky, but be creative and also do your pairing. So yeah, guys, for more info, if you want to purchase the book, here's the number: 078 126 0741. That's for WhatsApp only, no calls. Then the link will be here at the bottom of the first comment. I think I'm going to also do UK Fortnite for tomorrow and the Cash for Life, so that you guys have got enough time to study and practice and maybe read through the predictions. Guys, I'm saying again, let's avoid those prediction apps. You will play UK Fortnite for 10 years and then you will never win. because of those apps. That's business. It's like a virus and an antivirus. It's one thing. If you're using a computer and then you say, let me download a virus, an antivirus, but that antivirus is also a virus. So be careful with that. Either stick to the books. Books are here for you guys. Thank you very much.